The reason why I've selected this domain was that it has been seen that SMC, PTA or SMDC members or the committee has been framed, but they are not active many a times. So as per the RTE norms, we had we have organized a SMC, and even the guidelines which are given by the department, they have been shared. So what we do is that, as our new education policy talks about empowering the community, we have to also make it active in our school level. Even the agenda of the meetings is been displayed everywhere, and that is been shared to the parents also. And timely letters are also sent to the SMC. And now most of the members, they attend the meeting. Usually we keep the meeting on Saturdays. Then as per the action plan for each meeting, we keep a separate topic. So in one of the meeting, we discussed about, it was just after the Swachhata Pakhwada week, wherein we were supposed to throw the unwanted things from the school, or we have to deposit somewhere else. So that is why we had an old toilet, and we have discussed the same thing with the SMC members. So they have helped the school with monetary support, wherein we constructed the toilet for the boys. Few things were required for that, so that also was sponsored by few of the community members. In another meeting, we discussed about the things which we required for the sports, because this year we celebrated annual sports meet, and there was requirement of the cricket mat, then the nets, the bats, the balls and all. So a list was given to the PTA members. So what the SMC did was that they approached few of the corporate bodies which were whose participants or the officials were from the local community, and they could manage many things which were worth of rupees more than 1 lakh, and that was shared with the school and the students also. In the same way, this year we have also started with the track suits and all. So many of the parents themselves, they donated 10 to 12 track suits each. Like that, like many of the poor students, they were able to get the track suits and they are wearing it. In the same way, SMC also helped in organizing various events like Saraswati Puja, organization of the annual day, then felicitation of the teachers, retired staff members, felicitation of the SSC passed out students, and also the cleanliness part of the school, because during the rainy season we get lot of bushes and all. So they themselves bring the grass cutters and all, and they have cleaned the school. So in this way, it has helped me a lot to shift from level 1 to 2. For this, our teachers, students, parents all have helped. The impact was such that those parents were not visiting the school. They were just coming during the open house day and all. Now they themselves are coming to the teachers and asking if we require any help. And in such way, for the annual sports day, many of the parents have sponsored the prizes, and they are also approaching other community members also. The thing is that only now they have to enroll themselves on the Vidyanjali portal, so that they can be certified somewhere or the other. And even the students, they are now telling the parents that let's help the school. And in this way, I've seen that the impact was really good, and soon we'll be shifting from level 2 to 3.